Hello everybody, it's been a while since I made a video, but I've been working on the house, but nothing too fancy. And today I just decided, instead of cutting down trees and tearing down plaster I can't repair, I would work on something a little different because it's got to get done anyway, so may as well just keep moving forward. But so this is the gingerbreading of the house. This actually hangs up on the ceiling, or on the edge of the house, like this. I can't get back far enough, but like this is the wall. That's the soffit right there. But anyways, yeah, so I gotta clean these things up. This one here I already cleaned up. This one here I have not. And how I'm doing that is I'm using a heat gun, this scraper, and that tuck pointer. If you don't know what a tuck pointer is, you would use this for cement, pushing it between rocks, just filling in gaps. And I used this on this house when I was fixing the foundation in spots where it was just terrible. And yeah, I added about 600 pounds of mortar to this house the first summer that I started working on it, and that's the tool I used. And I'm using this to get down in these little spots, like right there. I'm just spinning it, just cleaning out weird spots like I did here. See this one? I opened up quite a bit. See, and then there's that little spot there that you can slide between. This one here, it's I'll paint it up and close. So I'm gonna use this heat gun and see what I can come up with. Well, I know what I can come up with. It was this product here. I'm not gonna make them perfect, FYI. There's no reason to. They're gonna be like 20 some feet up in the air, so you'll see when I'm done. There's still little paint spots that are just hard to reach, and I'm gonna scrape it down the best I can, like right there, you see. I'm gonna scrape it down the best that I can, and then I'm just gonna paint right over it, because they're gonna be so high. No one's ever gonna notice all the hard work that I put into it, and really it just doesn't matter. These things are just decoration. I just want them back on the house. I want to put them up this spring. It'd be nice if I could get the shutters done too, but those things are something. But anyways, yeah, let me see. I'll try to do one holding this camera, but it's probably going to be absolutely terrible, just so as you know. Let's see. Hold on. We should always do this in a well-ventilated area, and luckily I'm in a pretty well-ventilated area. But you can see it's starting to bubble the paint up already. Gonna move it around. There it is. It's gonna come off there like gum. It's gross. You don't want to hold it in one spot too long. And then we take a scraper, and then we scrape it off. Okay, we can't do it with one hand. Yeah, not very well anyways. But you get the idea. So I'm gonna do that, and do as many done as I can today. Let me shut this off. Yeah, no, that's not loud at all. So, anyways, these things were on the house until one of the renters decided to paint the house for my father-in-law, and he took them down with intentions of repairing them and putting them all back up, but it just didn't happen. And I wish he would have left them alone, because a lot of them are broken now like that, and so I have to get those back together or recreate it all together, and that's just gonna suck, but it is what it is. That's my problem now. So, all right, I'm gonna get to it, and I'll show you when I'm done.